Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get mic in Roblox game. So first of all guys, you have to tap on this three dot over here and you just need to go to in settings. In setting you have to press privacy. Once you're in the privacy you have to scroll down and you will see there have a microphone. You just need to tap on this toggle button to enable it. Just tap on it to enable. When you tap on it, this pop-up window will be open and you just need to tap on this enable button. And once you enable it guys, you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open this game. Let's play this game. So guys, you just need to tap on this mic over Avtar's head to enable and you can see that I got this mic in the game after enabling the microphone in the privacy. So that's how you can get mic in the Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.